Good morning and welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. And today we are in Nice, France. And we're going to jump in a little van and we're going to take a tour of Nice and two other little villages. One up high in the mountains, they say, and one down on the shore. So come along and let's kind of see what we get to see. Nice is the hot spot of the French Riviera, where the rich and the famous come to play and to live. This place we're going to visit is the home, or was built by Beatrice Rothchild, and she was very, very wealthy. And this is one of her 5 homes, and she filled it with art that she collected around the world.
Okay, that's my main goal today. So, as I said, I love the house more than I can say. So, it was built in 1904, which is right in the middle. I don't know if you guys have heard about what we call La Belle Époque, which literally is like the golden time, the beautiful time, when that very concept of the French Riviera was really created to begin with. The Baroness Ephrussi of Rothchild was born right in the middle of that. She was born in 1864. Right in the middle of it. I'm not going to go through the Rothchild because, as we all know, it's a long and vast story. So all we need to know is that her grandfather was the founder of the French branch of the Rothchild, which makes her inherit the equivalent today of 700 million euros. Got to do something with it, even though she has to share it with a brother and a sister.
When Beatrice passed away, she provided funds for this home and really a museum now to be maintained in its in a good condition. And as you see on the interior, it was decorated, not over the top, but with very nice artwork, and clearly with the idea that she could come here and spend the winter time here in warmer temperatures. Our guide mentioned this building or home was built during the Belle Époque era, which is the kind of the golden age before World War I. And the comment or the definition of that was the endless race for eccentricity. In other words, you can't have too much. They told us not to go up on the second level, so we did it anyway. And look at the beautiful gardens, and we're going to take a few minutes to stroll through those. A lot of gardeners working, and the front of this garden looks like a ship because she likes to cruise. And we are out in the garden area, and it's starting to rain. So I guess you gotta have a little rain to keep everything nice and green. This is beautiful. These are the formal French gardens of the estate. In addition to the formal garden that was out the back of the house, she had planted, I think, an additional 6 gardens, each representing a different part of the world. This is in Asia, Japan area that we're going through right now. You can tell that by the bamboo. We are now in a little village called Ez. So we have to hike up to it. Ez is a seaside village located on the French Riviera. It's about 3 miles west of Monaco. To get to the top of the medieval fortress that was mostly destroyed, you have to do a lot of climbing, and the stairs are steep. You don't need a guide to show you how to get there. You just keep going up and up and up. Ez has been described as the eagle's nest because its location is overlooking from a high cliff about 1,400 feet above the French Mediterranean. Near the top, they have planted a beautiful cactus garden, and as you can see, it's very well put together and very well taken care of. Once you are on top, you see the remains of a fortification that used to be there, and the views from up here are spectacular. Scattered throughout the cactus garden are these beautiful sculptures by Jean-Philippe Richards, and he has entitled them Exploring the Mysteries of Femininity. I'd probably change that to Exploring the God-Given Wonders of Femininity, but they're beautiful to look at. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Around the World in 274 Days. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.